The Suzuki Cargo van is a compact and highly practical commercial vehicle designed to meet the needs of small business owners, delivery services, and entrepreneurs. Known for its durability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, this van has earned a strong reputation in the light commercial vehicle segment, especially in Asian and developing markets. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in congested city streets and tight parking spaces, making it an ideal choice for urban deliveries. Powered by a small yet efficient engine, the Suzuki Cargo van offers a good balance between performance and fuel economy. Most models are equipped with a 796cc to 1000cc engine, which provides sufficient power for carrying light to moderate loads. The manual transmission ensures better control over the vehicle, especially when navigating through busy traffic or uneven roads. The fuel efficiency typically ranges between 16 to 20 kilometers per liter, depending on road conditions and driving habits, which helps keep operational costs low for businesses. One of the most attractive features of the Suzuki Cargo van is its spacious rear cargo area. Despite its compact overall dimensions, the van offers impressive load-carrying capacity, with a flat and wide cargo floor that makes it easy to load and unload goods. The rear doors open wide, and the low loading height further enhances convenience. Depending on the configuration, it can carry a payload of around 500 to 750 kilograms. Making it suitable for transporting groceries, parcels, equipment, and other commercial items. The cabin of the Suzuki Cargo van is simple yet functional. It typically comes with basic features such as a speedometer, manual air ventilation, fabric seats, and ample legroom for the driver and front passenger. The dashboard layout is straightforward, focusing on usability and durability rather than luxury. Some newer models may include optional features like air conditioning, a basic stereo system, and power steering, which enhance driving comfort, especially on longer routes. From a maintenance perspective, the Suzuki Cargo van is known for its reliability and ease of repair. Spare parts are widely available and reasonably priced, and most mechanics are familiar with the vehicle's structure, making repairs and servicing hassle-free. The build quality is solid enough to withstand daily wear and tear, even on rough roads. Its suspension is designed to offer a smooth ride even when fully loaded, while the brakes provide sufficient stopping power for safety. Overall, the Suzuki Cargo van is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a budget-friendly, efficient, and practical transportation solution. Its compact design, strong fuel economy, reliable performance, and spacious cargo area make it ideal for daily commercial use. Whether you are a startup needing a delivery van or a business expanding your fleet, the Suzuki Cargo van offers great value for money and dependable service over the long term.